Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Where are we going to start today? An episode and a season are both things connected with a TV series, aren't they? What else is connected? The bill and the card are sorts of... they're the lineup for a show as well, aren't they? The catalogue, the card, the bill... But then bill could also be total and amount. Interesting. What would the fourth one be if it was these 3? And we've also got count and number. I mean, episode number? That feels weird. A coiled spring, a bouncy spring. We've got geyser as well, they erupt. Something can bounce into the air, a geyser can kind of spring into the air. I'm kind of clutching at straws a little bit. What else? An affair is sort of like an event, current affairs, current events. What would the other 2 be? Oh, matters, events, affairs, matters, and episodes, maybe? What else could it possibly be? It's got to be episode, hasn't it? It's just another matter, an affair, an event, an episode. Yeah, it's got to be. They are all incidents. Right, so that means episode doesn't go with season and number. Count, number, amount, and total. Surely that's going to be a group, isn't it? What is it? What's the count? What's the number? What's the total? What's the amount? Is surely. Yes, they all mean quantity. Right. So what next? Catalogue and card and bill. I still do think are going to be connected with like a theatre performance or run of shows. Who's on the bill? Who's on the card? Who's on the catalogue? Who's on this season? Or who's on this letter? They don't quite work. I do feel like it's going to be these 3. Bouncy spring, coiled spring. I still don't quite know what geyser has got to do with, or geyser has got to do with coil and bounce. That's the only problem. Card spring, letter spring. Oh, I'm going to go for something and I'm going to be one away and I'm not going to know which one to go for instead. I suppose on the bright side I've got 4 lives, but I want to get it in 4. Who's on the bill? Who's on the card? Who's on the catalogue? It can't quite be that though, can it? Because I don't know. Maybe it can be. The letter, the coil. Let's go for season. What spring might refer to? Oh, the other kind of spring, of course. Oh, yeah. It's things that a spring might do. I was thinking of a geyser erupting and that sort of coiled spring energy, but actually a geyser or a geyser, it's just a hot spring, isn't it? That was careless. I'm glad I put season in that group then. Right, so it is going to be a perfect connections game with a little bit of luck. Things received in the mail. Yeah, I mean, that's not quite exactly what I said, but it's kind of close-ish, maybe. It doesn't matter. I didn't need to know exactly what the rules were. I just needed to put the right things in the right groups, and I did. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.